Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. What's up? Alright, welcome back for some more XCOM. This time I uninstalled everything, cleaned up all the folders, reinstalled the thing clean without mods, and we'll see if this time it works or if it's a bug that's actually cooked into XCOM2 Vanilla. The bug I was having, by the way, is some of the plot missions just refused to show up after researching them in the Shadow Chamber, as I am trying to get the achievement for finishing the game before the 1st of July. So part of my first guess is some of the mods I'm using are messing things up, which is a bit surprising but possible. And my second guess is maybe I'm just going too fast into the game trying to get this achievement, because I do some of the plot missions before the game actually gives me the Doom timer with the avatar progress. So now that we have a clean save, a clean game, let's see if we get the bug again. Because I managed to find one post on the internet of one guy that got that problem. And I'm surprised, if it's a bug cooked into XCOM2 Vanilla, I'm surprised there's not any more posts of this, especially since there's an achievement for going as fast as possible. So yeah, let's see if we can reproduce the bug again.
The aliens need to know that we're serious, that we're ready to infiltrate the city.
Random avatar prop on the head of that girl.
We're moving in to take out a high-profile target that will get plenty of people's attention, especially Advent. Move to lock down the area and eliminate any security forces nearby. Menace 1-5, we have a fix on the target. Move to place the X4 charges at the designated position.
Right, so I know there's no mods because I tried actually, like I got the, even though I deleted everything, I got my saves back through the cloud saving on Steam. So I tried to load my previous save, and the game warned me that I was missing all the mods I was having. So clearly the mods are not active anymore, and I can see here that some of the mods I was having, like the camera angles and the health bar, are not active anymore.
Heading there now.
So we should be fine. If the problem is mods, we shouldn't have the problem anymore. But I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
On the move. Moving to Overwatch.
Cover on it. Affirmative. Covering now. These guys make up the bulk of the Advent forces.
Oh, the reason we have the avatar mask on that girl is probably because my settings... we might not have access to that here. There's a setting that change. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it is actually activated. That's the chance of getting the appearance changes from the DLCs. So I guess it's just a chance to get that. We're still going to be too far for nades, I think.
Heading out. Menace 1-5, you're near the target position.
Yeah, we're too far for nades. I can't get all of them with a nade anyway. I might as well wait for them to patrol again.
On the move.
Moving to designated position.
On my way. Eyes on the skies.
I'm on it.
Got it covered.
They might actually flank me here. They might be a bit too far to flank me. Okay, now we can get all of them with a nade. That was not very far. Let's see. How far am I? Okay, if I move back one square, I can't do that anymore. So I was thinking of going here. I can't actually do that. I need to go here. Do that with you. Okay, so I can't get you. As a result, I can move you here.
Moving out. Rolling.
Here. And you... Yeah, you can go
Heading
here.
out.
That's fine.
Moving to Overwatch. On Overwatch. I'm on it.
Get ready for a surprise!
Low rolls. Some of those are in the fire. Yeah, two of those are in the fire.
That is not good. Negative damage.
Of course, one of the guys that's on fire actually caught all the Overwatchers. So this one on the left is going to die. This one is going to leave. Probably going to run to the next pod. Nope. He's going in. That's not even a flank.
I'm hit!
Still got it. Oh well.
Moving to designated position. Hostiles pacified.
Let's just reload.
Overwatch. Reloaded. Covering now. Reloading.
Okay, let's just wait for a hint.
Affirmative. Moving out.
Moving to Overwatch.
On Overwatch.
We got movement.
There we go. They're behind the statue. Oh, they're actually walking into me. Perfect.
The Advent officers seem more capable than the grunts. We're not sure whether to chalk it up to training or stricter mind.
Low roll.
Adjusting sights.
I'm going to miss everything again.
Adjusting sights.
Hey, I got one at least.
Nailed him.
Alright, time to move. Because we're slightly flanked over here. Let's see, how am I going to do
Position
this? I might just hunker down you.
Standing
And
fast.
we'll try to use you to flank later on.
Good copy. Moving on target.
You get a 45, let's try it. anytime. There we go. That's a miss.
Target's still up.
Can't reach that, but you can reach this, which is not terrible.
Shot failed to connect.
I think I'll just move you here as well and try to take the pot shot. That's fine.
That is not
We're all
good.
in tall cover except the one that's hunkering down, so we should be fine. Taking the shot. Oh!
No!
Well. God, XCOM2. I can leave with one death. I'm not leaving with two.
I can't move.
If I get two, I'm just going to reset. Okay, so we're flanking you. Oof, yeah. Forgot that I don't have the quarter turn. The half turn camera mode. Might want to grab this.
Burning through ammo fast.
Hey man, so what's up? Good morning, good morning. We are modless this time, no mods. I did a clean, uninstalled, deleted all the folders, made sure there was no mods left, reinstalled. And when I try to load my previous save from the cloud saving, it tells me that I have no mods, so we are modless. And we'll see if the softlock is built in the base game or if it was from the mods.
Heading to that location.
I'm just going to try to anchor down here, I think. Because yeah, just anchor down this.
Roger, holding.
Just go here.
Moving on target.
Take the tall cover.
You sure the docs will want to see this?
Okay, I can move over here. I'm going to fix my keys. A sec. Because I keep hitting the wrong key for turning the camera. Where is it? There we go. That's better.
Headed there now.
Yeah, we'll see. Because, like, I'm very surprised that I haven't seen more complaints about this bug on the internet. I've found one post, and the guy did have mods. But doesn't feel like any of the mods I was using should be affecting this, but who knows. I could nade hit this guy. Maybe I do, just do some damage.
Catch.
I'm just going to go here and reload, and you're going to stay here and overwatch, I think.
Back
Good,
at
I'm reloaded. Just take the pot shot. Hey, Laser Loves, what's up? Good morning, good morning. I cannot take... This feels like this should be a flank. Oh yeah, it doesn't tell me actually if it's a flank or not without the mod. That's funny. This should be a flank. Yeah, this is a flank. There we go.
Target this area.
So we got one death.
We're not picking up
I can
any
work with
inbound
that.
contacts. Scanners are clear. Menace 1-5, we have a limited window to act before Advent responds. We need to get those charges planted on the double. Menace 1-5, rendezvous at the extraction point. Status confirmed. Squad is clear. Detonating charges.
Let's see how many gauge crusher you have to do today in order to get some progress going. Okay, we're missing the sniper, which is a bit unfortunate. Doing fine, doing fine. Who are you? Happy New Year and all that.
I do find that air.
Okay, so we're keeping that spot for... Oh, did I... Oh, I did it again. I soft-locked the interface again. Not the first time. From Gate Crasher to Gatekeeper? Maybe. Okay, so we're keeping that spot for... Proving grounds.
Avenger plotting new course. Avenger plotting new course. New objective added.
The Advent officers have clearly been modified to allow for their subordinates to receive new orders. The Advent...
First scientist, no, first engineer. Scientist is first council mission.
Setting course
Trade
for
and
Sector
relay is not a
12,
terrible
East
one.
Africa.
Nothing special to equip, because we don't have modern weapons.
Sky
We don't have
Ranger
the alien
deployed.
weapons.
We're in the pipe.
A hidden alien communications relay in this area is being used by Advent to transmit critical data back to their network. The loss of that data will stop their latest project in its tracks. So we're moving in to destroy the relay before they complete the transfer. We're expecting a strong contingent of security forces. Neutralize them, secure the site. Destroy that relay at all costs. Menace 1-5, the communications relay is up ahead. Move in and destroy the target.
Let's go around the building, I guess.
That's affirmative.
Can climb you up here if we want to. Just so we don't block the thing, I guess.
Good to go. Got it. Moving.
That corner. Oh, you see something.
Although they bear some resemblance to the sectoids first encountered during the invasion, their genetic structure now includes human DNA. They are stronger than
very
ever,
far
with an
with you.
even greater psionic potential.
Getting it done.
Yes. Let's see.
Understood. Moving out.
Get better eyes on those guys from here. Okay, I see both of them. Is it going to
On
be
my
close
way.
enough for nades? Probably not. It's not.
Affirmative. Moving out.
That will have to wait a turn, I guess. Don't know if you see those guys from here, maybe.
Moving out.
Can't really move the camera far enough to check. No, you don't. Go down here then. This is probably going to block your line of sight, to be honest.
Roger. I've got my eyes on. Moving to Overwatch.
Okay, where do I move the heavy so that I can lob a nade? Oh wait, you can from here. I've already moved you close enough. Okay, you see someone. kinda want... Yeah, I'm going to move you up
Position
here.
confirmed.
That's going to be better.
On Overwatch. On Overwatch.
And you see both from here.
Overwatch. Here, catch! Not like this! They're onto us!
Nice. Nice
Target
and
down.
clear.
Got him! Affirmative, moving out. Let's rock!
Okay, inside the building here there's a door, there's a window. Probably want to attack from this side. Just go here for now, I guess.
Heading to that location. Let's rock! Orders confirmed. Moving out. Affirmative. Covering now. Orders confirmed. On the move. Ready to go. I'm on the move.
Right.
Moving.
I'm going to
Getting
dash
it done.
you. Kinda need to get a bit
We've
closer
got eyes
here.
on the objective.
And I'm going to dash you 1 square away. Or I'm going to dash you here. It's
Getting it
probably
done.
better. We need to get a bit closer to the
Moving
device.
Overwatch. Got it
We have
covered.
4
The alien
turns.
transmission is still active and we're running out of time. Get to the relay and take it out. ASAP.
Okay, we should see the relay from here. And probably
Heading
the
to
next
that
pod.
location. We've got Advent here.
Oh, we see 2 pods, don't we? Yeah. Well, that's a bit unfortunate. Okay, let's start with this.
Moving out. Target down.
What's the hack?
Bypassing
A
security.
bit late for the hack, but... Yeah, nothing I'm interested in. Okay, I'm probably moving you
Moving
here
out.
and throwing a nade on the sectoid. Get rid of all those walls.
Take this. Heading to that location.
Tune the door cover here. Okay, we can kill the sectoid. Not a terrible proposition. Could throw a nade over here. I'm going to keep the nade for later. Alright, so we got 1 pod
Target
roaming
disabled.
freely, but I shouldn't be easily flanked here, I don't think. Marked. Yeah. That guy is going to take it. Where are you going? How did... Oh, you can see the window, so that's a flank.
Now!
Forgot there's a window on this side of those things. Okay. Yeah, there's a window here. Please forget that's a thing. I think I'm just going to quietly go behind two tall covers here and throw a nade over here. Can I? Oh, it refuses to throw a nade above. I was hoping I could lob a nade above that, but apparently not. Okay, so what else can we do? This should be a flank on this guy.
On the move.
Apparently not.
I'm on the move.
Okay, at least you can nade this guy. I think we're going to do that.
For you.
Nice high roll. Can follow up with this. That's a miss.
Shot wide.
I can't do much from here, can I?
I'm on the
I
move.
have to take the half cover here. Okay, got the
Target something on
this
this
guy
one.
at least. And you're going to
On
have to
Overwatch.
watch this.
Transmission signal
Okay.
is fading. They've
You can do
almost
that if you
completed
want.
the transfer. This is your last chance to take out that relay.
Yeah, we're mostly fine still. Okay, not sure if I'm going to hit the Overwatch or not. Okay, we should be fine.
Moving on target location.
Oh, I do not... Oh, that's tall cover. Fair enough. That wasn't very useful. Can I go around you? Not really.
Moving.
Can't get eyes on you. I can get eyes on the device at least. That works.
Menace 1-5, we confirmed destruction of the relay. The alien transmission is down. Eliminate any remaining hostiles and move to evac.
Youstin has a nade, you have a nade. Now that I moved my guy, I think I'm going to do this. Just checking, I want to destroy as much cover as possible, but I also want to hit the guy.
Grenade out!
Alright, that should be good enough. Oh, got the high roll.
All
Perfect.
hostiles are down and the area is secure. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
That works. One wounded. Take that. Yeah, going to have to get used to playing without the mods. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Impressive work, Commander. The aliens are probably still wondering what hit them.
Got the sniper.
New objective added.
Commander, I've updated our current objectives based on the most recent findings. Excellent work, Commander. Your efforts continue to bolster the resistance movement across the globe. Commander, we have a lead on the alien black site, but we'll have to rely on the local resistance to actually get us into the facility. We should try to make contact with their forces in the region as soon as possible. It's the only way we're going to
That's
find
more
out what's
important to
behind
get
this
them a
so-called
surprise.
Avatar project. Commander, you're
I
not
don't
gonna
think I get
believe
that
this.
before the council mission.
We
though.
just picked up a signal from an emergency locator beacon. It's definitely...
New objective added.
I'm keeping tabs on all our operations, Commander. Our people are standing by for your orders.
The Advent captain seems to provide a means of stabilizing the link between the local subordinates
finish
and
that
the
and I'll
Advent
put you
network
to proving
tower
grounds.
itself.
Commander, if we're going to try to build this skulljack that Tigan came up with, we're going to need a specialized facility to test it out.
I foresee a number of valuable applications stemming from this technology. I'll have a report assembled as soon as the research is complete.
Actually, how many of power? How does that work again? 9 out of 12. The shadow chamber takes 4, so I need to build a power relay anyway. Might as well do that
Power
right now.
relay construction initiated.
Might as well get started on the 12 days.
You and I both know we
Okay, so
only
I
had
do get
one
that
other
before
Sky
the
Ranger, Commander.
council
It's worse
mission.
for wear, but this
More
heat used to be
rookies,
Big
probably
Sky's
not.
pride and joy.
Drop the
And
supplies.
someone's been putting her to work. It may be possible to triangulate exactly where they took off from, but it'll take some time.
Commander, these weapons are unlike any design
Not
I
by
have
much.
previously encountered before.
Almost didn't get
I
the
could
weapons.
attempt further analysis, but the likelihood of us reverse engineering them appears low regardless.
Remember what Tigan said. These new weapons are one of a kind.
Alright.
If we leave them on the battlefield, they'll be lost to us forever. Maybe a little unwieldy, but in the right hands, this thing should cut down.
Oh, I don't have a
anything
grenadier.
standing in
That's
your
annoying.
way. The charges in this grenade don't seem all that powerful, but according to Shen, the liquefied gases inside should lead to an instantaneous freeze effect. It may only provide a single-shot action, but this thing hits hard. Even an edge hit could potentially stun the target. The way this one is sighted in, there's no excuse for missed shots.
In position.
The Resistance is asking for our help in rescuing a VIP currently being held by Advent in this
Rescue
region.
VIP from advanced vehicle.
We're moving in to
That's
neutralize
better than
any
the
alien
normal.
forces protecting the transport vehicle. Lock down the AO and secure the target package.
I hear a turret.
Menace 1-5, we have a
That's going
confirmed
to be
location
annoying.
for the VIP. Move to rendezvous. Eliminate all hostile contacts.
The thing about the turrets is they're very loud. You know when they are there, when they're there or not. Alright, what do we have? Well, immediately right
Stay clear of
there.
those turrets. We're still not entirely sure if they're fully
We
automated
probably
or
want to go
remotely
around.
triggered.
Not sure how much I can go around, but I can try to climb up this building.
Moving out.
What do we have?
Infiltrating their system.
Reinforcements, how about no?
I'm on the move.
Just cut the
Confirmed.
corner here, I guess. I will dash you
Solid
down
copy.
here. And I will dash you over
Got it covered.
here. Turret can show up at any time. It's very random whether to get the turret or not, and it's also... it depends on what map chunks are loaded, because not every map chunk can get a turret, obviously. So it depends on what the map looks like. Where do I climb? I can't climb here because of the tower, because of the lamppost. I need to go all the way here if I want to climb. Alright.
Roger that.
Okay, no signs of aliens so far.
Good to go. I'm all over it. No need to ask twice. Heading to that location.
Let's see if there's anyone up here. Nope. Alright, let's get everyone upstairs before we peek above the railings.
Okay.
Heyo, good morning, Happy New Year. What's up? Oh, wait, oh! I clicked too fast. That's one on me. Kinda want to actually save scum this. Because I have the save scum. I don't usually save scum this early, but yeah, that was a misclick. That one was on me. Let's try this again.
Heading out.
Yeah, that's a whoopsie. If I do that shit again, I'm not going to reload, but let's just say that I was not very awake at this point.
I'm all over it. Copy that.
Alright.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
We're going to get spotted here. No, that
Looks like
shoots...
hostiles over
Oh,
here.
there's 2 pods. There... Oh, okay, we see 3 pods. How about we don't do that? Also, good thing I didn't try to move anyone in this corner. That would have been bad. Okay. I'm going to dash the sniper over here.
Getting it done.
And let's try to not trigger all the pods at once, if at all possible. Which is probably going to require me going downstairs here.
Moving to position.
Okay, here I only see 1. So I could try to trigger those guys from here. If I go here, I'll probably see the one over here. Where do I see those guys from? I need to dash all the way here. A bit too dangerous.
Got it
Get you
covered.
here for now. And same deal, I'll move you here for now.
Good to go.
Oh, I have a frost bomb on you. Don't usually have the frost bomb this early. I'm trying to frost bomb this pod. Okay, this... Oh! Hello. Okay, they still won't see me because they didn't climb all the way up. That one is walking all the way around to the ladder. Okay, those guys are moving away. Not quite sure how I do this.
Menace 1-5, be advised, hostile interceptors are inbound on your current position. Firebrand has a limited window to provide extraction.
Of course, the way the positions means I can't frostbomb both. And I still see those guys. Who sees that guy, by the way? Okay, you do. So if I move you here,
Orders
then we
confirmed.
don't trigger this pod. So I can at least frostbomb you, I guess. Which is better than nothing. I guess we're going to have to try to do that.
Affirmative. Covering now.
Kinda want to move you here, so after the pod is triggered, I just broadcast at this guy. Yeah, I'm just going to broadcast at this guy after, which means I don't use the frost bomb actually. Can you? Trying to optimize this, but I think I'm just going to take the ballcaster shot as a trigger here. Casual 8 damage.
Target down. We're visible here.
Alright, at least we got 1 pod. We got 8 turns.
Enemy destroyed.
These guys are walking in. Getting another watch from the here. Actually connected, very nice. Okay, we got a good position at least. Very nice.
Kill confirmed.
Well, you need to reload anyway. Can you combat protocol? No, you don't see him. I would have had to move before doing the combat protocol.
Closing on target position now.
I can just nade. I might just nade this.
Confirmed.
Need to be particularly fancy here. Yeah, I don't particularly want to destroy the car, but I also kind of want to keep the cover intact if I can. Well, there was an attempt. Also loot destroyed, I guess.
Come get some. Confirmed.
Okay, so we got another pod roaming around this way. I need to go behind. I was thinking maybe I blow up this side, but actually if the VIP was on the other side of the car, I would have considered throwing a grenade to open this side. I actually need to go around here because it's too far over here. 6 turns. Where is the evac? Evac is all the way here. That's a bit suboptimal in terms of number of turns. Okay, pod is here. Minute 71. Perfect.
Target disabled.
We're a bit far away here. Probably going to want to dash anyway. I think I'm going to dash you here so you have a good access to this hack next turn.
Will do.
I'm going to axe this. Maybe we may get lucky. Nope, that was an attempt.
Adjusting sights.
And I'm just going to dash you here. Do you have a flank? No, you're doing a zombie, so that's fine. Just going to shotgun you. So we're going to have top 5 turns to evac after that.
The aliens have found a way to mind control them now. Moving to designated coordinates.
Oh wait, I thought you were the shot. Oh yeah, turret. Why is the turret elevated? Probably because of the save, actually. The save kind of tends to fuck up the turret sometimes. We already had the turret triggered, so that's fine.
Enemies down.
We're behind tall cover, so we'll probably find the turret. We might get XCOM2, but... Okay, I'm just going to not take the hack with the specialist, I'm just going to take it with you. Don't want to waste time. Can leave without alloys.
We're through. We have the package and we're moving to status confirmed. VIP is in tow. Proceed to the extraction point.
I go grab this.
Confirmed. Tech guys will love this. Orders confirmed. Moving out.
And I'll go dash over here with you.
Confirmed.
Good to go.
Actually connected,
Looks like
bastard.
they called in some friends.
Well, that's far away.
Menace 1-5, we're picking up an enemy transport
Got XCOM
inbound
by
on
the
your
turret a
current
bit here.
position.
We're still fine, it's just a wounded. Are you in dash distance? No, you're not. Jesus Christ, that's far away. We're probably not going to be able to overwatch
Position
this.
confirmed. Moving out.
Where do I move you? Yeah, maybe.
Stepping off. Got it covered. On the move. Advent troops here.
Yeah, we're not
Menace
getting
1-5,
overwatch in
hostile
this.
interceptors are on high
Good
speed
news is they're not
approach. Your
overwatched
window
either,
for
so
extraction is closing.
let me just casually drop here. You'll need 2 turns to get there. Everyone is, yeah, we're not getting good hits from this. We might just want to dash to total cover and hope for the best. Can move
Understood.
you
Moving
here,
out.
that's not a terrible spot. And still, yeah, that's a terrible accuracy though.
I'm on it.
Going to overwatch that. How about inside? Yeah, I can move you inside. Here. And then you can dash to the extraction next turn. You can stay here for now. I'm going to evac you in a minute. Where do I move you? That's a total cover. Hopefully you will be in dash distance next turn.
Affirmative.
We've got another turn after that otherwise. And you also very much need to dash.
Getting it done. VIP secure and in position for evac.
This is Firebrand. VIP is secure.
Oh, they're overwatching of course. Oh, yeah. Well, at least I got this guy.
Nailed him.
Might have to combat protocol this guy and not the... Oh, that's a double overwatch. Of course you can't do that. Someone has to run some overwatches, I believe. Okay, how far are you? You are here, so you can wait another turn. You can take a shot. You can dash into the extraction this turn. Oh, you missed a 75. God damn it.
Not even close.
We can combat protocol to remove one of the overwatches, and then we are in dashing distance. So that's an option.
Dive! 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 Hit your burners, pilot!
Hey, Entertainment Kit. Hello, hello, good morning. Happy New Year. Thanks for the raid. We are trying to get the achievement of finishing the game before July 1st in Commander Plus. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to get you here
I'm on
and
the
hit
move.
one of those two. Or I can Frostbomb. That's an option. I can Frostbomb you, I can get both. But I can Frostbomb you and Combat Protocol you. And we still have a turn after that.
It's killing.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Mostly. I've been having a lot of trouble with getting the game soft-locked. Because some of the plot missions would just not become available after researching them in...
Moving.
in the Shadow Chamber, possibly because of some mods, so I removed all my mods. And hopefully this works this time. I should be able to shotgun you here. And we still have one turn to extract.
No longer a threat. Guns dry. Menace
Can probably
1-5,
finish
you're out of
off.
time. Get to the evac point now.
Okay, you need to dash, you need to dash. And you also need to dash.
10-4.
And you're out of ammo, so you can't shoot anyway, so we're not killing this guy, I guess.
Moving on target. Just in time. I'm gone. I'm out of here. Getting out of here. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
Yeah, I have no idea how this plays with a controller, to be honest. Wouldn't be able to give you any advice with that. Yeah, that's a game that works pretty well with mouse and keyboard, definitely.
Executed to the highest standards. Excellent work.
22 days, we're not seeing this guy anytime soon. Got another grenadier at least. I'll take the haywire because since we can't save scuff on this playthrough, maybe we can get some fun stuff out of that. Watch it, please.
You and your crew have dealt another serious blow to the aliens' efforts today, Commander. Impressive work.
Yeah, it works pretty well on PC, and then you get all the mods, which is the fun part. Especially for War of the Chosen. There's a fuck ton of mods, and you can stack a bunch of mods. Get some fun stuff out of it. Assorted loot could be interesting. What was I doing otherwise? Rookie supplies. Yeah, give me assorted loot. At some point I will research modular weapons. Since we're trying to finish the game before July 1st, we are rushing all the plot research. Got a proving ground on the pipe.
Outcome, though it is intriguing.
And I think I'm just going to do modular
I'd
weapons
assume
now.
you make that research a priority, Commander.
Resistance
I'll
radio
notify
can
you as soon as
wait.
the report is available.
Commander, we can now work to establish contact with local
And I think I'm going to make
resistance
contact
groups operating
right
in regions
now.
around the globe. Once we've collected sufficient intel to make contact, we'll need
Because
to
those
scan
guys
the
are not
target
that
region for
important
the
anyway.
operative signal.
So one thing we also need to keep an eye out for is scientists, because the Shadow Chamber researchers are actually require minimum number of scientists. The first ones require 2 and the late ones require 4. And I got bottlenecked by that at some point. Am I French? I'm French, yes, not Quebecois.
Commander. We can build
So
the
yeah,
skull
if
jack
you hear the
whenever you give
accent,
the
that's
word.
French. Proving ground. Do I actually have the supplies? I don't have the supplies to build a skulljack. Well, that's a mistake on my part. 50 supplies. Alright, well, you go dig then. Ho ho ho. Indeed.
I have made a number of interesting discoveries,
Okay,
Commander.
it should help a little on the tactical layer. Resistance radio.
I'll see that work begins immediately, Commander.
As we will need
I'll
to
contact you when I have
make
a
a
full
bunch of
report available.
contacts to get to the plot regions,
New objective
plot
added.
missions.
Commander,
Alright,
we've
so we
established
can do
contact
black
with the
site
local
immediately.
resistance, and we're ready to move on the
And
alien
if
black site
unless
on
I have
their order.
someone that's just about to get out of
Advent's been
hospital, I
keeping this facility a
will.
closely guarded secret. We should make sure our troops are ready for a tough fight before
70
we
days,
send
I'm
them
not
out
waiting
there.
70
We're
days.
ready
I'm
to
doing-
move when you are, Commander.
I'm doing
I've
black
updated
site
our
immediately.
objectives based on the latest information.
So of course, if you were playing this normally and playing for the long haul, you would want to at least wait until the game tells you about the avatar progress and you get the doom counter before doing this. But because I'm trying to go as fast as I can, and that's also going to give me a fuck ton of supplies, we're doing this right now, which means we are going to waste the reduction of avatar progress. And I'm thinking this might be what softlocked me at some point, where that fucked up and I couldn't get the plot research. So let's see if that actually still softlocks me when playing Vanilla or not. Actually, oh, I've got 2 grenadiers. That's funny. You can get the frostbomb here, that's fine. We should have modular weapons now. So what do we have? Stock, yes please. Laser sight on the shotgun. Oh, I've got... Let's go. I think I'm just going to put the other laser sight on the other machine gun. Because why not? And you've got the fancy pistol, I think. Double check that. Yes. You've got the axe, yes. Got the frostbomb, yes. I could actually give you the boltcaster if I wanted to.
Sky Ranger deployed.
I'm not going back for it now.
In position to drop.
Having the advanced laser sight is probably just as good.
Have shown us how to access the Advent black site.
Sure, man. Thanks for the raid again.
Keep this place under the radar, and we don't know what we're gonna find.
Have a nice
in
sleep.
there. Keep your heads up. Expect heavy opposition. Vicinity. Infiltrate and investigate the area. Expect heavy resistance. Neutralize all hostile contacts. Entering squad concealment.
Oh, we actually dropped on top of one of the buildings. Okay, so the question here is, do we have any turret on this building?
Confirmed.
Yeah, we got 2 heavies. That's going to be nice. I'm actually just going to move you here. My goal is to check if there's any turrets.
Moving on target location.
And then use this building
Heading out.
as a landing spot.
Rolling.
As an ambush spot.
Gotta come. I'm on it. Scanning.
Since we do not have a timer for this mission, we can take our time.
Affirmative. Moving out.
Okay, it doesn't look like there's any turret on this building. Which means that there's probably one on the other side. But we can use this building to ambush one pod downstairs and then worry about the turret, and we can deal with that with the sniper.
Getting it done.
So that should be plenty fine. You have the frostbomb.
Stepping off. On the move. I've got movement. Heads up.
Oh, there's something pretty close, I think. Alright, so this mission always has a mech inside the building, regardless of how far you are in the plot.
Okay.
Okay, do we get spotted? No. Okay, so whoever is here is probably behind the building. I'm going to drop you in the corner here. Oh, you see something.
Got a group of hostiles.
Oh, down. Oh, turret on top of the train. That's pretty rare. I guess this chunk is eligible for a turret. That's pretty rare. Usually you have one turret on one of those 2 buildings. I've never seen it on both of the buildings. And one turret on top of... 1 or 2 turrets on the main building. And it can actually be at the back as well. I've never seen the turret on top of the train. But yeah, that it's not surprising that it can happen. This is an eligible chunk. Very interesting. I'm going to drop you downstairs for a grenade later. For the frostbomb. You see something else. Oh yeah, that was just a turret. That we hadn't actually... Game hadn't registered we saw this guy.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
Alright, so one thing you always want to be wary about...
On the move.
Okay, you're going to be my scout, so... need to remember I need to not shoot with you. You always need to be concerned about when you're sitting on a roof is whether the enemy has grenades. And there's no captain here, so we're fine. It's just soldiers.
Overwatch.
Okay, where the heck are you going? Huh. This probably is not a good spot for frost bombing.
On the move.
Let me see what I see from here, and then I move to cover. Yeah, good thing I didn't assume the radius here, because I only saw one of those dudes. If I moved here, I would have been spotted. That's kind of what you have to worry about. Not all enemies have the same vision radius, I think. Because that increased, but what I saw was a sectoid, which is actually 1 square further away. Don't usually pay attention to that, but I don't think all the enemies have the same vision radius. I'm just going to climb you back up here, I think.
Roll it.
For now. And we're just going to wait to see where they patrol. I might want to just go to the next building so I don't have to worry about the turret yet. That's definitely an option. Just to be on the safe side. I'm going to dash you over here.
Roger that. Eyes on the prize. On Overwatch.
Yeah, maybe we just follow that pod and ambush those guys. Definitely not a terrible pod to use a frostbomb on. 3 enemies and a sectoid. What happened to the third guy though? Because the third guy dropped on the back of the train, and now I'm not seeing him. Okay, you're not in range of the turret. You can stay here. That's fine. Definitely want to move you out of here. We might be able to ambush this turn, possibly. Because if I'm here, I can frostbomb those guys. And I can move you here. Oh wait, that's a sniper. Well, that's a mistake. Guess I wasted a turn. You are not where I wanted to move. Also, this square is in range of the turret, so you don't want to ambush from here. Do you see those guys from here? You see the turret from here as well, right? Yeah. Oh, also you're the shotgunner anyway. Need to move you back. We're going to have to shuffle that around anyway. You will need to climb back up again.
On my way.
And you don't see anyone from here, so I'm going to dash you here.
Move, move, move.
Bit of curveball here. Oh, here is number 3. There we go. Wait, what's this? There's another pod right here. There was another pod right here. Okay. We might want to reassess. Might actually want to fall back and climb on this building from the back. If there's a pod right here, we don't want to ambush those guys.
Moving out.
Yeah, I think we're just going to abandon the idea and climb over here. And hopefully there's no turret on this building. This is going to take a bit. We're going to spend half an hour trying to find a good ambush position. But let's go.
On the move. Running. Getting it done. Affirmative. Moving out.
So what did we gain from all of this? We know where one of the turrets is. That's pretty much all we gained.
I'm all over it.
And we know that there's two pods patrolling up front. There's like 6 or 7 pods total in this mission.
No need to ask twice.
It doesn't seem like there's a pod on top of this building. Each of the 2 little radars here is a potential turret position, by the way. Is a potential turret spawn. Going to climb you here.
Rolling
You
out.
finish climbing next turn. Oh, you see something.
We've got a hostile squad
Okay,
here.
we're just seeing through the window here. So there's a pod here. Might want to actually move the scout somewhere they see those guys. Not a lot of amazing spots for this. Might just actually drop you here,
Location
because that way
confirmed.
you can keep eyes over here, and that's pretty safe. Alright. Okay, now I don't have eyes anymore. We can open the
Headed there
door
now.
down here. Let's see if that helps. Not quite sure it does.
Good copy. Moving on target.
Yeah, I do see those guys from the window. Okay, so it does help it does help a little bit. We probably just want to go to the edge of the building here.
Double time. Solid copy. Roger that.
Okay, now I have no idea where they went. Going over here is risky because there's the other pod with the sectoid patrolling around. And going to the ledge is obviously risky because I might get spotted. I think I'm just going to go to the door and open the door and close it again next turn. See if we can see those guys. And I think I'm just going to stay here.
Scanning. Overwatch. Roger. I've got my eyes on.
Again, taking our sweet time. No reason to rush any of this. Okay, now we know where they are. And so we can actually position ourselves.
Got it.
That's the other pod, isn't it? The one with the sectoids. Okay, this square is bad, but this square is actually good. So that's an option for an ambush.
On the move. Moving out.
Next turn though, because the sniper is busy. Sniper already moved. I can reclose the door. And you can stay here. You're my scout anyway, I don't want to attack with you.
Moving to Overwatch. On the prize.
We might actually not have an angle if they're too far down right under us. Okay, yeah, that's the sectoid pod. Might want to just stay here and wait for those guys to patrol away. That's also an interesting position for the tower. There's also one here. Yeah, now the problem is we see both pods, so we just want to stay here. We can't move anyway. But you actually don't see those guys from here. They're too close down. So,
Got it
just
covered.
going to watch this.
Covering now.
And wait for everyone to move away. Actually going to move you away just in case they try to enter here. They shouldn't try to enter here. Because they should just patrol the front road here.
Orders confirmed. Moving out. On Overwatch. Roger. On Overwatch. Eyes on.
Might end up ambushing this spot if those other guys move far enough away. Because we should still be in frostbomb range. Basically, I want to not see this guy. And we have quite a bit of leeway trying to frostbomb those guys.
Overwatch. Eyes on the prize. On it. Overwatch.
Oh, those guys are moving. Okay, now we don't see those guys. Those guys are moving as well. Let's see if we can get in a position where we see those guys but not the other ones.
Position confirmed.
Yeah, perfect. We can do that.
Moving to designated coordinates. Roger. I've got my eyes on.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm using the frostbomb. I don't overwatch this. I'm going to reload. That's me being an idiot. I shouldn't have used this, but... let's try this again.
On my way. Understood. Moving out.
Oh! Oh, okay. We do have a square where that works. Thank you. I thought I fucked myself up again. Alright, finally we can get started.
We're spotted! Target down.
Kill the two soldiers first. Okay, this pod might walk into us, but it was patrolling away, so it's pretty unlikely. You stay here.
Eyes on the prize.
And if they do walk into us, it's going to be on their turn anyway, so I'm not at any danger. Right, perfect. Casual 100%.
Kill confirmed.
Right, that's one pod. Finally.
Good copy. Moving on target.
Okay, stay here for now.
Oh yeah! Moving to Overwatch.
Oh, they're moving inside. Bastards. That's actually pretty rare. They didn't see my scout. Okay, that's going to be annoying. Because now I can't ambush those guys from upstairs. I might just want to wait around and see where they go.
Moving on target location. Closing on target position now.
Definitely moving you away.
Rolling.
Going that corner for now. It's pretty rare that they patrol inside the building.
Oh yes,
This is a bit of a weird generation. Okay, now I have no idea where they are, which is worrying.
Moving to designated coordinates.
Okay, I have no idea where they are. I'm not moving the scout again.
Got it covered. Affirmative, covering now. Overwatch. At least we know where they are.
Oh, they're climbing. What the hell? What are the fucking odds of that? And I missed everything. Yes, they didn't see my scout.
Adjusting sights.
Yeah, I literally missed everything.
Not good.
Okay, at least that's easily flankable. Let's see. If I move here, that's a flank on you. But also I need to keep somewhere to move you. I can move you here, that's a bit dangerous. I think I'm going to move you here. And I will keep this slot for the other heavy. I mean, an option is just drop a grenade on this guy. And with the full damage, that's just going to kill him. Not sure why I'm overthinking this. Just do that. Yeah, you die from the full damage. Alright. And I think we just take the flank on you.
Rolling. Enemy eliminated.
That's absolutely fine.
Toss me some ammo.
Redundant debris staying suspended on the void here because good game. Okay, well that's two
Ready
pots.
to rock. Moving on target location. Affirmative, covering now. On Overwatch.
4 more to go. Okay, next thing to do I think is just get eyes on the turret with the scout and start killing the turret with the sniper.
Moving to position. Covering now. Moving to position. I'm ready. Affirmative, moving out.
Don't see the turret yet, possibly here. Okay, now I see the turret. High roll. That was a 6 damage. Right, we can just wait here.
Headed there now.
Quietly.
Moving to Overwatch. Affirmative, covering now.
And we just wait until we don't miss.
Shot fails to connect. Overwatch. Scanning.
There we go.
Enemies
We
down.
do have the height advantage, as opposed to most other turret spawns we get here.
On Overwatch.
Okay, I think we go back around here and try to find a spot from around where the... Try to find a pod from around where the guard tower here is.
I'm on it.
You kind of want to approach the black site from this side of the map, because the train car here usually blocks your line of sight and is a pretty nasty spot to try to get the enemies as they try to approach you when you're spotted. I lost quite a few black site runs by just the enemy keeping this as a block to the line of sight and then climbing on the car and hitting my guy on top of the building directly. I can climb this. I might get to see something.
Getting it done.
Might actually want to put... I was going to say, might want to put the heavies here. Stay here for now.
I'm ready. Overwatch. Move into designated position.
Right, we're just going to go around the car here.
Affirmative. Covering out. Moving to Overwatch. Something out there. On my way.
Stay here.
Eyes on the prize. I'm on it. Got it covered.
Always want to keep a move on the scout so you can move the scout back if you end up too close to a pod.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
It is nice, but that also works the other way around. It also works the other way around. Whereas you kind of want your sniper to see everything. As a result, this position might be suboptimal because of the tower, actually. You might have to move the sniper here at some point. Okay, stay here.
Scanning. Come get some. I'm on it. Scanning.
I'll climb you on the tower, see if that helps me. Can I get... there we go.
Location confirmed.
See if we can see something from over here. Nope.
Got it covered. Affirmative. Covering now. You hear that?
Okay, let's bot inside. No big surprise here.
Heading there now. On Overwatch. Moving to Overwatch. Scanning. Got it covered.
We're still at only 2 pods, so there's a lot of people still patrolling around.
Position confirmed.
Okay, no turret here.
Roger, I've got my eyes on. On Overwatch. Moving to Overwatch. On Overwatch.
Oh, there's a pod on the roof here. Hello. Can I kill? Nope.
Enemy is still up. Troops here.
I'm surprised that actually triggered the pod. Since I didn't hit them, that shouldn't have triggered the pod. Interesting. Oh, nice. That connected. Just stay here. No reason to rush into things. I'm going to move you away a bit. How far can I move you away and still see those guys? Just move here for now.
Overwatch. Affirmative. Covering now.
Why, do they know where we are? No, they don't, because they're climbing back up again. Yeah, they don't know where we are. Perfect. Moved into a very flankable position. They would never put themselves exposed and flanked like that if they knew where we are.
Scanning. I'm on it. Moving to Overwatch.
Oh, he might know now. It's a bit random. At some point, the game just decides that the enemy knows. I think.
Ready to go. Covering now. Got it covered.
They don't have grenades, so we can just stay here on the roof without worrying too hard. Beautiful.
Target neutralized.
Excellent. And that's spot number 3.
Hostiles pacified.
Had a promotion out of it. That worked beautifully.
Let's do this.
Okay. Okay, I think the next move is I just go like around here, check if there's another turret.
Headed there now.
On the front.
Moving to Overwatch.
And then we start opening doors. To see if we can get some line of sight on the pod patrolling inside.
Moving. On Overwatch. Overwatch. On Overwatch. Movement ahead. On the move. Roger, got my eyes on it. Affirmative, covering out. Got it covered. Quiet, you hear something?
Okay, I feel like if there was a turret up front I would have seen it. I'm going to check the last corner here. That's a bit far.
Closing on target position now.
I still hear a turret. I think there's always 2 turrets. But that last turret is probably at the back. Which is definitely suboptimal.
Scanning. I'm on it. I got movement
I think
here.
we just go open this door and see if we see some pod we can snipe.
Heading out. On Overwatch. Moving to Overwatch. Come get some. Moving to Overwatch. Picking up movement.
So it's a bit dangerous to have the scout that far off the front.
Rolling.
Because that means if I get spotted, that scout is dead. Then again, I'm safe scanning. Oh, hello, they're right here. Close the door. Okay, well, I know where they are now. I'm going away.
Got it covered. I'm on it. Overwatch.
Okay, let's try to go around.
Understood. Moving out.
Because there should be like 2 other pods patrolling around on top of this one.
Moving to
Just go
position.
here. Let's take some distance from the windows before we start trying to go around and see if we can find something at the back we can start sniping.
Heading to that location. Affirmative. Covering now. Covering now. Huh? Moving to designated position.
Yeah, this is a bit of an awkward spot here. There's not a lot of cover.
I'm on it. Got it covered.
Unfortunate river going right there. This should be fine. Be close, but... Oh. It's telling me I can detonate this. Usually when it tells me I can detonate something, that means there's an enemy near it. Sometimes it's wrong, though. You don't see the thing, but that might be a good time to start moving you somewhere. You'll get better line of sight here. You will be able to see from here.
Moving to Overwatch.
Stay here for now.
Affirmative. Covering now.
Okay, now it doesn't tell me I can detonate, so there might have been something here that now moved.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
door is open here, so something's definitely patrolled here at some point. Doesn't say much. There's always something patrolling around there.
Movement. It's close.
Still haven't seen a turret. I'm going to keep going around the building.
Moving out.
See if I can at least spot where the last turret is.
Overwatch. Come get some. On Overwatch. I got movement. Heads up.
Poor camera is doing a lot of legwork.
Confirmed. Got it covered. I'm on it. Scanning. There's something out there. Headed there now.
Still no turret.
Hostile forces spotted.
Okay, we have a pod here. We might actually catch them on squad side Overwatch here.
Covered. Overwatch, come get some.
Depending on where they're patrolling. Like here. Okay, now I see one. I don't think my sniper has line of sight here. Yeah, there's too much tall cover here. There's the angle of the building here. Kinda want to just stay here and see where they patrol.
Got it covered.
Camera is doing a lot of legwork between my two sides. No, they're going back inside. Alright. Okay, where's that turret now?
I'm on the move.
See those guys here? Pretty sure you don't see them.
Affirmative, moving out.
It must be on the very top of the building. Like here or something. Maybe here. I don't know. Because usually when I don't see the turret at the front, it's somewhere at the back, like here. But that doesn't seem to be the case. Both of those little light projector things are potential spots for turrets. Potential spawn points. Don't want to spend another half hour on this if I can avoid it, so I think at some point I'm just going to go back to the front and start preparing an ambush for the mech pod, because that has been going on for long enough. I don't know where the turret is, and I think at this point we're going to just ignore it.
On my way. Orders confirmed. On the move. Good copy. Moving on target.
Here should be a good spot for the sniper for the main door.
Moving to Overwatch. Scanning. Affirmative. Covering now.
You can still hear the turret. It's definitely there. Now where the fuck is it?
Closing on target position now. I'm on the move. Heading to that location. Come get some. Overwatch. On Overwatch. Rolling.
an extremely well-equipped
Oh, you didn't
mechanized
see the
combat
mech
unit.
yet.
We'll need to look for vulnerabilities if we're going to take that thing out.
On the move. On it. Overwatch.
Okay, let me check the... Bit unfortunate that I can't line up the camera the way I want. Trying to check whether those things are going to fuck up my line of sight. Might want to move here instead with the sniper. Next turn though.
Got it covered. Orders confirmed.
Yeah, I
Moving
think
out.
this is a better lineup. Then I have to worry about this one blocking my line of sight. But I think we're good here.
Got it covered. Heading there now. Understood. Moving out. Come get some. Moving on target location. Come get some.
Yeah, we'll be able to just open the door and drop a nade in there.
On my way.
Alright. Oh, this one is just rushing in. We don't have shred yet on those guys.
Moving out.
Want to do something like this.
This is for
Should
you.
be fine. Probably will want to use the scout to attack here. That should clear up the line of sight a bit. I didn't destroy my guy's cover here, so that's perfect.
It hit the plate.
Yeah, I think at this point, I want to use somewhere you see this guy.
Move into designated position.
Need to finish the mech.
Well, would you look at that?
This is a bit suboptimal, but I'll take it.
Overwatch.
A good chance to kill someone. Yeah, take this one. That works.
Enemies down.
Last trooper is probably going to run to the next pod. No? No, he's trying to move forward. We have tall cover on everyone, yeah. Oh, I thought that connected.
Taking heavy fire.
Alright. That is actually going much better than he has any right to. That's a miss, but I can flank you, that's fine.
It's still moving.
We're probably a bit too far to flank with you. Especially since the door is locked. Just move here, there's a chance I triggered now.
So many
I was afraid I would trigger the pod. It's still possible I trigger the interior pod.
efficiency.
Hopefully it's far
Test
enough.
subjects for
The
some
back.
sort of weapon, perhaps.
Looks more like a refinery to me, Doctor.
Once we get our hands on that sample, we'll know for sure.
Okay, perfect. That is spot number 4.
Hostile neutralized. Gonna need to reload soon.
And like I said, I expect there's going to be 2 more.
I'm on it.
Without counting the reinforcements. I'll go grab
On my
this. If you don't mind. More advanced laser
Got
sights.
some goods here.
Right, everyone reload. Sniper probably needs to start moving forward at this point.
Good to go. Orders confirmed. On the move.
So now I don't have a scout,
Moving to Overwatch.
but that's part of the risks here.
Moving.
So we know there's another pod with a sectoid, and we haven't seen number 6.
Moving to Overwatch. I'm on it. Affirmative. Moving out. Affirmative. Covering that movement.
Okay, let's wait until everyone is around here. Might like drop the sniper here or something.
Okay. On Overwatch. Affirmative. Moving out. Okay. Overwatch. On Overwatch.
Forgot to move the sniper. Accidentally overwatched that. That's fine.
Rolling.
There's still a turret somewhere as well.
Moving to designated coordinates.
Shoot here.
Affirmative. Moving to position. Affirmative. Covering now. Cover. On Overwatch. Got something over
Just
here.
kind of hoping they walk into me at this point.
Confirmed.
Yep. I'll get over here. Don't mind taking cover behind the explosive. Okay, we don't have a massive amount of room. Don't want to climb here because there's got to be a turret somewhere up here. If I go down here... Okay, none of this is going to be a flank.
Roger that.
Here is probably still a good spot to at least get some line of sight on this guy. 48 is not terrible. Got the stock
Target's
miss.
still up.
Move you later though. What do you see? 43, I'll take it. Okay, that works.
Enemy eliminated.
I guess yes, the best I can do for you
Position
right
confirmed.
now. You see nothing,
Scanning.
and I'm going to move you back here
Position confirmed.
for now. Mind speed? No, zombie. No, that's a mind speed. Mind control is very unfortunate. Full cover.
That was close. Kill. Good copy. Moving on target.
Okay, where is this guy? Sectoid is behind this, isn't he? I don't have line of sight on him, but he's
Get
behind
ready for
this.
a
Might actually
surprise.
be able to kill the line of sight doing this. Yeah, he's right here. I did not destroy the tree for some reason. 21%. That's never going to work, is it? I don't have a nade on you. Yeah, this is very bad actually. Might have to save scum this because I don't know how we're doing this. He's going to kill someone. He's going to kill this guy most likely. Could also kill this one. Unless I get the 21%, I guess. Yeah.
Adjusting aim.
That mind control is just the worst thing I could get, I guess.
Position
Try to at
confirmed.
least kill this guy, maybe, if we're lucky. 38, yeah. This is terrible.
Running dry on ammo.
What are you? Oh, that's a blade.
Taking losses here.
I'm going to reload this. We're going to have to do a bit of safe scumming here. I don't like it. But I've done enough resets for this achievement because of all the soft locks that I kinda want to at least go through this. Okay, so don't climb up here. Duly noted.
Understood.
I
Moving
don't
out.
like this. I wish I didn't have to do this.
Moving out. Will do.
Oh, that retriggers the cutscene. That's fine.
Will do. On Overwatch. Come get some. What was that? On the move. Good copy. Moving on target. Headed there now.
Actually climbing you in the tower is not necessarily a terrible thing if we ambush them from this side.
No need to ask twice. Come get some. Moving to Overwatch. Covering now. You hear something?
There we are. So that's what, three save scums already. Not amazing.
Oh, come on!
Yeah, you don't have any good angles on it.
Heading to that
Climb up
location.
here for now. Hopefully you get high
Got it
advantage later. I don't think that's a that might actually be a flank
On my way.
on the sectoid. Yeah, it is. Let's go. Okay, I take that.
Good riddance.
I can flank you from... Actually, no. Not from here. Need to be one square further. Don't have any good location to flank you. That's unfortunate. Because I still need to worry about this guy. I can shoot through the window here. Okay, that's a tall cover. I can go all the way here for another tall cover and then throw a nade here, possibly.
Heading out.
Are we too far? No, I can still do that.
This is for you.
Right, and you just stay here on Overwatch, I think.
Got it covered.
Okay, lucky here. Got a lot more lucky than last time. Okay, there should be one more part, but I'm not sure. We'll see if we get any sound hints.
On the move.
Not even sure there's still a part at this point.
Oh yeah. Affirmative. Ready to engage.
So that might be only 5 and not 6 as I thought.
Back in.
Yeah, I feel like that's only 5.
Okay. Understood. Moving out. Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Still don't know where the last turret is.
Double time. Scanning. Covering now. Good copy. Moving on target.
probably just going to ignore the turret at this point, because if it was anywhere dangerous, we would have seen it by now.
Solid copy. Getting it done. Overwatch.
Evac is over here.
Orders confirmed. Moving out. Affirmative. Moving out. Got it covered. Roger that. Moving to Overwatch. Got something new.
Guessing that's not water in there. Shen, any readings?
No signs of radioactivity, no significant energy signatures of any kind. Whatever it is, it's safe to handle.
We've confirmed acquisition of the
Alright,
sample.
where's the
Move to
reinforcements?
rendezvous at the extraction point.
Enemies moving on our position.
All the way there. Sniper should still have line of sight.
Scanning.
That's the
Understood.
cactus fucks
Moving
me.
out. Moving to designated coordinates. Got it covered. Overwatch. Good to go.
Oh, I have.
Eyes on an advent position.
I can get stun lancer here. On those reinforcements.
I got nothing.
Well, I'm missing all my overwatchers.
Come on, focus.
Alright. First of all,
Rolling.
get rid of you. Actually, what does the sniper see? Okay, sniper, take this one. 79. Good 79. Okay, you kill him then.
Hostile neutralized.
We might actually get hit by this. This is going to be a flank.
Moving. Enemy down. I'm running low on ammo.
And I guess we just
And
take a
now.
pot shot at you. 29. Do I just overwatch this? I just overwatch this. Alright, where are you going?
Missed.
Okay. Well, that's one of the advantage of being right next to the extraction, is the enemy is actually more likely to do overwatches, which is good for me in this situation. Alright.
Hostile neutralized.
Waiting for the next extraction. For the next reinforcement.
Ready to go.
Should be
Let's
the
run.
second
Covering
one.
now. Oh yeah, got friends.
Right here. Oh, I can actually climb. I think I'm going to do
Heading to that
that.
location.
Same deal with you.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
Well, you need to reload, so that's going to be a pistol overwatch for you. And
Rocket overwatch.
yeah, just go
Confirmed.
here.
Overwatch. I'm on it. Got it covered. Got some advent here.
Same pod. Yes, and that's another miss. Not getting great results on my overwatches
Not even
today.
get it together.
What achievement am I going for? Finishing the game before July 1st in Commander Plus. Which is why we are doing Black Site in March. Which is a bit awkward, but there you go. Do I see this guy? No, I can go a bit closer and shadowfall this guy. Yeah.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
Just get this guy out of the way.
Target neutralized.
This should be a flank.
Moving to designated coordinates.
Yes, perfect. Casual 100%.
Kill confirmed. Toss me some ammo.
And they should also
Moving
be a
to
flank.
designated coordinates.
And a 100%.
Target neutralized. Running dry. Moving to designated position.
Shouldn't be another reinforcement.
Scanning.
Yeah, we're fine.
Running. Down the motor. Closing on target position now. Stepping off. I'm out of here. No need to ask twice. Roger that. I'm gone. Ready to
Well, that was a flawless, but I had to save Scum a little
Avenger,
bit to get
this
there.
is Firebrand. Package is secure.
Then again,
All
Black
XCOM
Site in
operatives
March,
are
so...
secure. Firebrand is returning to base.
Mission accomplished, Commander.
Imagine the aliens are too happy about this one, Commander. Hell of a
Shredder,
job.
yes, please. Shadow Strike, I guess. Yes.
Now that we've recovered the apparent product of the Black...
New objective added.
The aliens are relaying a form of encryption
let's
beyond
do that
anything
right
we've
now.
ever encountered. Much less
We
clear.
can build a shadow chamber
We'll
as
have to
soon as
find a means of
possible.
breaking the code.
Got the power relay
Expect
being
it will
built,
take
we'll
some
be able
time.
to build a shadow
Hello,
chamber
Commander.
here.
Work is well underway.
Oh.
But it will be some time yet
back
before
out.
my research is complete. Commander, we've already dedicated considerable
Now that I have the
resources toward
supplies, I can
current
build
research
this.
project. However,
I'm
we can
going
move
to
on to
put one of
something
my-
else if you
well, my
prefer.
one
I'll ensure
engineer,
that this
yeah.
new project takes highest priority, Commander. Once we have something to report, I'll notify you immediately.
An impressive effort, Commander. The destruction of their black site will no doubt slow the aliens' progress, but time is still short.
I'll have the team get started immediately, Commander. I'll let you know as soon as we've made progress.
Okay, no reason to try to take territories until we know where the next mission is going to be. Retaliation, first retaliation.
Setting course for
So because
Sector
we are
11,
on
West
Commander
Africa.
difficulty, there's going to be only one faceless in this one. We should have the first stun lancers. Pretty sure my specialist is not out of... yeah, 16 days. We can stay here then. I got... laser sight out of stock. I'm going to keep that for something else, I think. I want a scope maybe.
Sky Ranger deployed.
Squad green to
Word just came
So,
down.
okay,
The
time.
aliens have amassed a huge force to strike one of the resistance outposts nearby, and those people desperately need any help we can provide them. We're going in to eliminate the enemy threat and secure the area.
Nice short loading.
Menace 1-5. Hostile forces are attacking the outpost. Eliminate all enemy units and protect those civilians. Advent came in hot and so did we. You won't have a concealed position for deployment on this
Corner
one.
of the map is here. I do have a scout.
Move into designated position. Got eyes on a hostile squad.
Okay, I think I actually sniped this. Unfortunate that I only see the sectoid. I'll take the shot. Nice crit, 6 damage. That was a crit on 4 then, on a roll of 4. Now, might be able to flank this guy. Yeah, that's a flank.
Moving.
What if I do this? Yeah, that's going to finish off this guy. And the other guy has the stock, so we're guaranteed to finish those guys off. Yeah, I can just kill this guy with the stock. Loot destroyed is a bit of a shame, but that's fine.
Heading out. Taken care of.
There's a non-zero chance one of those is the faceless and I get fucked, but otherwise, that's one more. Scout, please. Thank you.
Moving to position.
Well, it looks like those guys have already moved.
Enemy squad located.
Oh, they were further away than I thought. Does my sniper see any of that? No. Talk over here. They should work for next turn, potentially.
Heading there now.
Hopefully none of those are faceless.
Moving to position. Moving to overwatch.
I didn't think I'd go out like this!
Alright, what does my sniper see from here? Both. Excellent. Very nice.
You can't handle me.
I should have moved the scout before doing that. There's a chance I get... Yeah. Well, shit happens, I guess. You know what?
Moving on target location.
Well, there's a chance I spot another pod doing that, but... Didn't I... What was the chance of getting a crit on this? That must have been pretty high. Where can I go? I'm going to have pretty low chance to actually connect. I could nade him. The stock is not going to be enough. I could frost bombing. That's a bit of a waste of a frost bomb. Honestly, it's pretty likely that he actually runs away anyway.
Heading there now.
So maybe we just take the chance.
I'll get him next time. On reserves. Heading out.
Okay, just overwatch.
Moving to overwatch.
Nope. Good thing I overwatched. That's probably not going to save me, though.
We've heard rumors about some kind of shapeshifters. I'm guessing this is it. It is a remarkable species.
Yeah, he went away.
If only we had some...
Overwatch, though.
Hostile neutralized.
Okay, doesn't look like the faceless is moving. Although we are not finished with the turn
civilians
yet.
left and right, Commander. We need to get these people out of here.
Yeah, no, he's moving. Oh, there's still a chance he misses, I guess.
Much more of this.
Oh, there was an explosive. Ouch. Surprised I actually survived that. Okay.
Heading to that location.
Alright, let's shotgun the fucker. Kill the sniper, very nice.
Yes! You see that? Roger that. Come get some. Closing on target position
To
now.
reload. Well, that was the faceless.
Rock and roll.
I did not expect that there was an explosive here. There's another one here. Probably don't want to take cover there.
Position confirmed.
I don't have a scout anymore as a result of this shenanigan.
Closing on target position now. On Overwatch. Heading to that location.
Yes.
On Overwatch. Finally.
Yeah, reload, I guess.
Good to go.
Well, good thing I had a bunch of Overwatches here.
Not good. Forces sighted. Shot wide.
That car is going to explode, so this guy is a non-issue. I could just blade him. That's probably a bit dangerous if this guy doesn't die. How far is my sniper? Can't get in shadow fall range. That would have been nice. You have a 40%, see if you can get that. Well, problem solved, I guess.
You want some more?
That should be all? Question mark?
Hostile neutralized.
Yeah, that is all.
Status confirmed. We're not picking up any additional contacts. The AO is clear. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
Well, I've got another guy in the hospital for probably 20 plus days. But that's one of the grenadiers, and we've got another grenadier, so we're fine. Didn't even get to use the frostbomb.
Great work, Commander.
Deletion.
Considering the limited resources available to you, Commander, you have
7 days on Skulljack.
Commander, I'm too old to start believing in ghosts, which means someone had to access that unit remotely. If they can access Rover, there's no telling what else they might be able to do.
Maybe
I
we'll
strongly suggest
manage
we
to
make
finish scanning
investigating
this
that
thing
signal
someday.
our top priority. Looks like Shen was able to confirm the signal's origin. Inputting the coordinates on the map now. Priority message coming through, Commander. Putting it on screen
It's possible
now.
that he
I had
missed,
high hopes for the
because I
resistance
feel
under
like
your
if I
leadership,
took
Commander,
damage from
and
both the
you
faceless
have
and the
outdone
explosive, I would be
yourself.
dead. So I think what happened is the faceless missed me, but I took damage from the explosion. Which is why it's not counted as damage from the faceless. I think that's what happened there. Because there's no way my guy would be alive with 6 HP, taking damage from both the faceless and the explosion. Like, there's no way. Oh, UFO. That would be fun. Alright, let's go grab this.
Avenger plotting new course. course for the East African sector.
There's a scientist, I'm buying it.
Welcome, Commander.
Yes. Okay, so that solves the potential bottleneck on the shadow chamber.
Avenger plotting new course.
4th of 5 attempt to scan this thing. Sorted loot.
Power relay now operational.
Okay, so that was built without an engineer. We're just waiting for this, and then I put the engineer here. Hair trigger scope. Scope is good. And all the other ones have despawned, so I might as well go scan this, I guess. We'll probably use this mission to grind levels before the end.
Commander, we have a priority. We're tracking the aliens.
Alright, finally we get the Avatar counter.
Here. If they finish what they've started, it sounds like it'll be the end for all of us.
I am sure you will find
Alright, so that gives me access to the shadow chamber, which I cannot build yet. Go back to
I
this.
assume you make that research a priority, Commander. I'll notify you as soon as the report is available.
Oh, Skulljack is 1 day away. I'm actually saving and seeing if I can finish the Skulljack before the carry out times out. Because I can do that. Yeah, I know. There we go. Okay, so I can get the engineer out of here. Finish digging this. So we can build a channel chamber later. Scientist supplies.
Setting course for the West
We're getting the
African
scientist,
sector.
and that's a nice dark event to counter as well. Kinda want to keep the hunt UFO going around because that's always a fun mission.
Field if we're going to make any progress towards our current objective.
Okay, so we do not have a specialist. You're going to get the Skulljack. You're also going to get the Goldcaster. We have a scope, so let's do that. And yeah, launch mission.
Sky Ranger deployed.
Menace, ready to deploy.
Didn't check what the objective was.
Resistance operative managed to rig up some sort of data interception device through
Protect
an
device.
access
Okay,
point
that's
on
an
the
easy one
Advent
as well.
network running through here. The data is apparently critical to the aliens' latest operation.
Okay, so let's
They're
try to
already
keep the
moving
force
to
ball for the
destroy
codex.
device. We're heading in to make sure that doesn't happen. Take out any hostile targets
Which means
nearby,
we're going to do the first
secure
ambush
the
with
AO,
regular
and
nade.
protect that device. Hostile forces are already moving to destroy the data tap installed nearby.
There's a turret
We need to
right
lock down the
here.
area and secure the device at
God
all
damn it.
costs. Copy that.
But also building right here, so yeah. There's 2 turrets! Are you joking? Game is just trolling me. At least the device is not very far, but yeah, the turrets are ideally placed.
Double time. Running. Go, go, go!
There's a pod right here. No captain. Okay, put the scout away.
Confirmed. Moving to Overwatch.
Okay, so we need to say... The turrets being here just makes everything more complicated. Might have to just like dash here in order to cut line of sight.
Will do. Getting it done.
Still see the turrets from here as well. Just go down here for now, I guess.
10-4.
Of course they're going closer to the turret. I don't like this one bit.
Closing on target position now. Moving out.
Way too far for the grenade as well. God damn it.
Scanning.
This is very suboptimal.
Getting it done. Good copy, moving on
Oh wait,
target.
that's a sniper. Sniper could have stayed here. Actually, sniper here is probably a good spot.
Scanning.
Yeah, they're just going away. I think I'm just going to keep going around. I really do not like the... There's guys here as well.
Good copy,
I'm
moving
getting
on
trolled
target.
so hard by the map.
Copy that.
Yeah, I just have to take the long way around.
On it. Good to go.
Maybe I should have just destroyed the turrets.
I'm on the move. Objective located.
Menace 1-5, we've got a line on the target. Move to protect that gear at all costs.
Maybe we just... I was going to say, maybe we just sniper trigger those guys, but it's just too much toll cover on the way, though. If you go here, that's going to be... Yeah, that's going to be way too far to do anything.
Double time. Closing on target position now. Enemy sighted.
There's an Advent captain nearby. We should attempt to disable it with the Skulljack.
Okay, maybe we hit this pod, but I don't... Yeah, I want to hit this guy if I do that. You already dashed though, so I can't put another Overwatch.
Stepping off.
Next turn, maybe.
Moving out. Overwatch.
Oh, they're coming back here. Well, I think we have to take both pods now. No way around that. That's 2 stun lancers as well.
Eyes on the prize.
This is going to suck.
I'm on it.
You're probably going to get spotted in this,
On
they're very
Overwatch.
close. So might as well put you on Overwatch.
Here, catch!
This is going to suck. At least we don't see the turrets. I destroyed that cover as well.
At first, Advent deployed non-lethal stun units for crowd control and the occasional protest. We don't see a whole lot of that anymore.
Okay, at least we got those two.
You want some more?
Well, that did not break. Oh, there's another pod here. Okay. Okay.
Position compromised.
Well, this is a bit awkward.
That one hurt a little.
Why did those guys move? Oh wait, that wasn't my turn. My question is more like, why did those guys move after those guys moved in? Okay, so we're not going to do the codex right away, I think. There's a non-zero chance we kill this guy with a pistol. Did you just miss the 92? I think you just missed the 92. God damn it. I think I just axe you. And then I just hope I get a crit on you. Okay, that works.
Take it, Sheriff. Might be carrying something. I've got it.
Yeah, I'll have to skulljack this turn. You have the frost bomb, okay. We'll leave the sectoid. I can reload and then skulljack.
Ready to engage. Accessing target. We have complete access to the Advent Psionics network. I have dedicated our systems to processing the new data, but we will need to work fast. It is only a matter of time before they detect our intrusion.
Here's the codex.
Commander, that appears to be the codex responsible for safeguarding the alien
Frost
data
bomb.
stores. We'll have to neutralize it if we intend to recover the data.
Oh, you see the turret. You're going to be hit by the turret.
Got our target.
Well, that's fine. You're a rookie and you did your job.
This is for you.
Actually, I'm just going to nade him because that's going to destroy the cover, and I will be able to easily kill him next turn once the cover is gone.
Fire in the hole.
Please do a zombie. No. Okay, that's.
Get me out of here, please!
Okay, that's actually saving this guy from the turret. Oh, that's actually good if that connects. Nope, that wasn't going to connect. I don't know how much aim penalty you get from being panicked, but that's probably like -50 or something stupid like that. It's it's a lot. It's quite a lot. Done.
Who's keeping score? Excellent work, Commander. It appears some physical remnant of the Codex was left behind when it dissipated. Hopefully, it will
Let's see if we can get a nice crit out of this. 70%. Yep. Perfect! Well, not flawless, but... Oh! I did not expect reinforcements. So this is spawned immediately. That's going to be interesting. Okay, nothing nasty in the pod at least.
Got some advent here. Repositioning on us.
Okay. Okay, you do not see the turret, you do not see the enemy either though.
Good copy. Moving on target.
Could have stayed there and reloaded, I guess. And could have reloaded and overwatched, I mean. I guess. I'm not going to get anything out of you. Sword attack is going to do a lot less damage than going right next to them with a shotgun and a laser sight. The sword actually has a not amazing chance to hit, and sword attack is nice if I can't actually move where I want to move with the shotgun, with a regular move. Then the sword can give me a little bit more distance, and sometimes that helps. But if I have a choice between doing a sword attack and a shotgun attack at point blank, I'm going to do the shotgun attack at point blank. Definitely no questions asked.
Scanning.
I can demolition the car, potentially, if I want to. I would need to get line of sight on the guy though. Anything else fun I can do with you? Not really. No flank. No easily accessible flank. If I go here, I still see this guy and I can do a demolition.
Tired of waiting around.
That works. Which means I can kill you. I'm not sure why I move you to do that though. Actually, you're going to be stealth after you do that. I just took the only good spot to move you though. Somehow this is not cover, and this is. Good game. Do I just go here? Guess I just go here, that sucks, but...
You can't handle me!
Overwatch, interestingly. And you missed. Well, that's actually perfect. Isn't it? Okay, what do I do now? That's definitely a bit of an awkward position. There's still the turrets over here as well, which are just so annoying. You have a nade. You might be able to hit this guy with a nade from here, question mark? Like the range is... yeah, possibly.
Headed there now.
Oh, wait, Overwatch. Okay, you missed. Forgot about the Overwatch. Game doesn't tell me because I don't have the mods. Guess I can do that and then finish this guy off with the pistol.
Fire in the hole!
That's an option. I'm going to be spotted anyway.
Finally! I'm spotted. You want some more?
Could flank this guy, but I need to reload, so... And you... Actually, I might just get you out of cover and take the shot on the flank guy.
Status confirmed. All hostiles are down and the area is secure. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
There you go. Yeah, I ended up... I redid a clean install. I uninstalled the game, went through all my folders, deleted everything, and reinstalled again. So this is modless. This is clean install.
Our troops continue to exceed expectations while working
Another
with
sniper,
limited
nice.
resources. Impressive, Commander.
We lost got the scout into the hospital though, so that's annoying. Death from above, yes please.
Commander, please thank our troops for completing what was surely a difficult task in acquiring the Codex brain. We'll begin work on it as soon as possible.
Excellent work, Commander. Your efforts continue to bolster the resistance movement
Black market,
across
yes,
the
please.
globe. You have delayed the aliens' efforts towards completing the Avatar
I don't think the Avatar
project,
progress can go to
Commander.
0, it caps
Let us
at
hope
1, I
the
think.
assets you recovered will prove useful in uncovering the aliens' plans.
These findings will likely prove crucial to our ongoing efforts, Commander. Though our Insectoid's rapid physical evolution over the past 20 years is a testament to both the
magnetic
aliens'
weapons, I
mastery
guess.
of genetic engineering and their pursuit of advancement.
Although I just do that, that's 3
regardless
days, I
of the
might as
risks.
well get the intel out of it.
I foresee a number of valuable applications stemming from this technology. I'll have a report assembled as soon as the research is complete.
Okay, what do you want?
We can now construct radio relays in any region where we've made contact with the local resistance.
I don't want to sell the stock and the hair trigger. Although to be honest I might, because I've already got mods all over my weapons. And I'm not getting magnetic weapons anytime soon, might as well get the $40. If there was an engineer, I would have considered buying the engineer.
Avenger plotting new course.
Finish scanning this. Alright, shadow chamber.
Shadow chamber construction initiated.
So you only got one engineer.
That tower's been rotting away for years, if not decades. We're still picking up power readings, but no signs of life. Still, we know that transmission came from this location.
Yeah, there's no plot research inside the regular
Commander,
research,
if
you're
we're
right.
sending in a squad,
All the
I'd
plot
like
research
permission to
is
go along.
inside the shadow
Whoever
chamber at
sent
this
that
point.
message, they know as much about my father's systems as I do, and I want to find out why.
Unless,
I'm the
I
only
mean,
one who
unless
knows
you
what to
got
look for. I should be
the
there.
alien decryption from the black site, and then you build a shadow chamber, at which point, and without doing the research for the captain, at which point you still have this in the regular search tree while having the shadow chamber built, but otherwise, yeah. Depends on in which order you do things, but yeah. Because there's two ways to get the alien encryption research. Either you get that after the black site, from the black site vial, or you get that from doing the captain autopsy. Both of those give you the alien encryption research, which gives you the shadow chamber. There's two ways to get the shadow chamber, basically.
Setting course for Sector 11, West Africa.
Okay, you don't need this anymore. And we have a rookie again. We have two snipers. Two snipers is fine for supply raids. Frostbomb. From you have the pistol.
Commander deployed.
In position for deploy.
One of our resistance contacts sent word of an Advent troop transport they managed to disable in this area, and the aliens have apparently struggled to get it moving again. This is our chance to strike. Anything we can recover from that transport
might be able
will
to do
a
one
boost
more
to our
mission after
efforts.
this one.
Move and secure the surrounding area. Eliminate all hostile contacts with extreme prejudice. Menace 1-5, the Advent troop transport is nearby. Engage and eliminate all hostile forces.
Right. Corner of the map is here. No good elevation right there. I could try to go on this building, but I'm probably going to have a lot of enemies patrolling around here. A lot of stuff in my cutting my line of sight as well.
Moving. Moving to designated position. Moving out. Roger, I've got my eyes on it. Overwatch. Moving out. On the move. Heading there now.
Yes.
Rolling. Got it covered. Moving to Overwatch. Scanning. Overwatch. Enemy movement ahead.
Let's just go to the road, I guess.
Headed there now. Roger that. Affirmative. Moving out. Orders confirmed. Moving out. Moving to Overwatch. Scanning. On Overwatch. I'm on it. There's something out there. Understood. Moving out.
Turret. Turrets have been trolling me today. I guess we're going the other way then. I don't want to deal with the turret as the first thing that removes my concealment. That's just silly. Oh,
Without
here's
the
the other
introduction
pod.
of human DNA, these creatures once operating under the guise of thin men.
Okay, that is not
now
a
show
terrible
their
pod
true
to
form,
use a frostbomb
a
on.
purely reptilian species.
No reason for them to hide. The aliens don't need an infiltration unit anymore.
Yeah, the aliens don't need an infiltration unit. Faceless be like, am I a joke to you?
Good copy. Moving on target. Got it. Covered. Overwatch.
Okay, they need a move, which is probably for the best because I was very flanked. Do you still see these guys from here?
Moving to position.
Which is good enough. I'm going to frostbomb this anyway. Which means I don't particularly care if I'm out of cover. Where's the snake though? If I don't see the snake, I'm not throwing this frostbomb.
I'm on the move.
Where the heck did the snake go? Okay, I guess we're not doing this then.
Moving on target location. On Overwatch. Roger. Got my eyes on.
Where the heck did the snake go? I climb. I can, but then I can't shoot. I still might though.
Go, go, go.
Just to get eyes on the snake. Okay, snake is over here. That's too far for the frostbomb, isn't it? Yeah, that's too far for the frostbomb. I can't get both. Well, I guess we're putting everyone on top of the building then.
Let's do this.
We have time, actually time to do that.
Moving out. Already there. Affirmative. Covering now.
They don't want to patrol. I'm at least going to get good vantage to kill them.
Good to go. Okay. Eyes on the prize. Affirmative. Roger. Right now. Eyes on.
Okay, now they're moving. Hopefully, they're going to go behind the tall cover. But at least I should be able to force bomb them now. Alright. Let's go.
Fire in the hole! We're visible here!
There's a chance we kill these guys with this. Nope, that was an attempt. Oh, I could just do this. And use you as a scout.
Yes. You see that?
That's an option.
On my way.
Nice crit.
Hostiles pacified.
Boltcaster is a good way to turn rookies into not rookies. Okay, who's my scout now? You are. Okay, we can go kill the turret now.
Moving to designated coordinates.
With the other sniper.
Oh yeah! Here I come. Ready to rock. I'm on it.
Oh, here's another pod. That's 2 stun lances. You have a squad sight, Overwatch, squad sight Overwatch. I might just, actually you don't. Was like, I might just squad sight Overwatch this. They might still wait for them to walk into me. Because a bit of an awkward place to be.
Move into position.
For this. They might walk into me still.
I'm on it. Overwatch.
Stay here, I
Eyes
guess.
on the prize. Let's do this. Moving to Overwatch.
Yeah, they're going to walk into me.
There's like something over here.
Actually connected everything. We can demolition the car, possibly. I think that's 75. Nope, that was an attempt.
It's still moving.
Yeah, we can demolition the car. We need to put you in tall cover before we do that.
Tired of waiting around. Ready to go.
Very nice. I think I'm just going to break my cover and kill this guy. 77, I'm just going to grenade it.
Here, catch.
Not taking chances. Oof! Rip my cover, apparently. Which is fine, we can still kill the turret by just going back and forth.
Here I come.
Not going to get the loot though. That's fine.
Adjusting sights. Back online. Let's do this.
Oh no, not the loot. One more damage.
It hit the plate.
Need to reload.
Back online. That's affirmative.
I have no idea if you see the turret from
That's
here.
affirmative.
Don't think you do. Yeah, you don't.
Come get some. Finally.
Who needs a promotion in this? You do. See if you can get it. Very nice.
Target neutralized. Affirmative. Covering now. Let's go get some.
Let's reload everyone.
Let's run it. Got it covered now.
I hear another turret. This fucking game.
On the move. Here I come. Overwatch. On Overwatch. Getting it done. Come get some.
No hint for the last pod. Edge of the map is here.
Headed there now.
Could climb on this.
Tired of waiting around. Got it covered. Scanning. I'm on it. Scanning. Finally.
Oh.
Got some advent here.
Hello. Oh, what do you have? Can you still have a nade? I'm not sure that's going to destroy anyone's cover though. Might want to just do demolition. I should be able to kill this guy easily at least. I don't want HP though. I'll take the Hondo, I guess.
How many is that now? Back in.
Where do I move you? I can move you up here.
Good copy.
That's an
Moving on
option.
target.
I might get Poison Cloud on this. See if you can kill this guy. That would be nice. Perfect. Okay, that helps.
Enemy destroyed.
Just have the Viper to worry about now. Up. He's doing the tongue.
I need a med kit here.
Okay, that's annoying because now he's behind the tall cover. Okay, so I do see him.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I can nade him. Possibly I can nade the Viper without hitting my guy? Question mark? I think I can. If I can, I will. Let's try that. I think that works. They're not actually on the same square. Yeah, they're not actually on the same square. As you can see. Yeah, they're still actually on two different squares. So that's a bit funny. Okay, now the problem is I don't see anything. I could fall back, and I don't think it can tongue. It can tongue immediately. So it will have to move. We might be able to catch it on Overwatch.
Let's do this.
So I think I'm going to move back here and throw another nade, which might destroy the cover actually. Second nade, not sure. No, it doesn't look like it does. I think we just hope on the Overwatches. Yeah. Even if I get a dodge graze, that should be fine. No. Okay, the problem is the other sniper doesn't have squad sight Overwatch. So we're getting bounded again. But now at least I should be able to kill this guy. That guy is going to be in the hospital for quite a bit. Hey, Frenchy, what's up? It is still morning by 4 minutes.
Mission accomplished.
Happy New Year, all that. How you doing? A bit late.
I'm always pleased when the troops return without any report.
We might be short
short
of grenadiers now. Yeah, all the grenadiers are wounded. Going to get a specialist back soon. And yeah, that's going to be annoying, but we'll have to keep going.
Commander, we've located the site where
Pig's
guy took off from. No immediate signs of activity.
Just scan for intel here, I guess.
Might have something.
We are waiting for the channel chamber to arrive. 49 intel. Wait to get.
Although Advent clearly intended for these units to be their means of dealing with any unruly civilians within the city center,
magnetic weapons, I guess.
It seems they have come to rely on more brutal.
New objective added.
Having developed a greater understanding of the aliens' encryption methods, we can now construct a facility designed specifically to analyze any materials we
Why
recover
does it give me
related
the objective
to their
now?
Avatar project. I would suggest we begin immediately, Commander.
That was weird.
Shadow chamber now operational.
Right.
We are fully prepared to begin our analysis of the material recovered.
Okay, so
from
this
the
is where the game
Advent
soft
blind
locked
site.
last time,
With the shadow
and the
chamber
time
fully
before that,
operational,
is when
we can
researching
use
the
this
Codex
advanced
Brain,
encryption
it just
capability
didn't give me the
to
Codex
analyze
Brain
the
coordinates,
artifact
nor
recovered by our
the
forces.
research it gives me after that, so let's see if it's still bugged. If it's still bugged, that means the problem is the order in which I do things, I guess. Hey, UFO.
Commander,
That
remote
might be fun.
reconnaissance indicates the aliens have a UFO hunting for our position.
Facility.
We need to be careful about where we pick our flight paths. Commander, we've received word that the aliens have completed a facility devoted to their work on the Avatar project. If we can establish contact with the local
Supply
resistance
drop.
forces in this region, we can make a move on that
And
facility and
Infiltrator is going
destroy
to
it
be a
to
bit
set
annoying.
back the aliens' operation. Commander, the aliens continue to make progress on the Avatar project. If we're
Let's get the
going to slow them
supplies.
down, we'll need to move fast.
Incoming message for you, Commander. Patching it through to your quarters now.
You have made considerable progress against the aliens
Council
over
mission.
the past month, Commander. I hope that your
Okay, so what I'm
ongoing
going to
efforts
do,
will only lead
because
to
I want
further
to see if it
success.
works or not, I'm going
Commander,
to
we've
drop
had
a
the
save and
challenge
I'm going to
of
ignore the
numbers.
console mission
These are
and
the
see
tactical
if the
projections for
cutscene
our-
works. And the plot mission progress, or if I'm getting soft-locked again.
Commander, I
Because if I'm getting
appreciate you
soft-locked
recruiting
again,
new
there's
staff
no
for the
reason to continue with this
Ingredients,
playthrough.
But as it stands, we have people still waiting
Yeah,
for
yeah, I know.
assignment. We can have them working on construction, excavation,
I know, I
or
know.
staffing.
Okay, this time it works. So I'm going to reload.
Objective added.
I've updated our
So
latest
either
operational
the
objectives,
order of
Commander.
things is
In the
different
field,
because last
the
time
codex
I also
appears
did
as an
Black Site
anomalous
Vial
form in an
first.
almost constant state of flux, seemingly only present in our world for milliseconds at a
So possibly this time we're not soft-locked. Possibly. Still not 100% sure if it's the mods or if it's just random, whether it breaks or not. But we're going to do the console mission. Advent Officer, Trooper, Viper, Stun Lancer.
Setting course for the East African
Yeah,
sector.
maybe it's some mod. Maybe it's just slightly different order, because this time I did not research Black Site Vial first. So maybe Black Site Vial is going to fuck up. Or maybe it's just random. It randomly breaks. Okay, we got a Grenadier out of the hospital, which is nice. Give me the stock instead. Do I want two snipers? Do I have anything else? I'll take the specialist. I think I had that one removed for a bit. That was one of the first I removed, actually. Wait, I've got two specialists. Do I have anything else for you? Do I take the second sharpshooter? Maybe I just take the second sharpshooter. We have a Scott 2, probably not. Okay, maybe I take the specialist then. And I'm going to put something on the rifle. I'm going to put the repeater on the rifle, I think. We'll see how that goes. You have the pistol, don't you? Yeah. Okay. Let's go with that.
Sky Ranger deployed.
In position to drop.
We're moving in for an emergency extraction of a VIP working for the Resistance.
Okay, we start without concealment. I don't have a ranger.
Locate the VIP and escort them out of the area safely. Goes without saying, but don't leave any hostiles standing. Menace 1-5, target coordinates incoming. Secure the VIP
Okay,
and
it's
proceed
not
to the evac
too
volume
far.
for extraction.
You can get on top of the building pretty fast from this side, probably. Yeah, there's the pipe here. Okay, let's see.
Absolutely.
There's probably stuff right down here. Nope. Okay.
Okay, I'll go. I'm on the
Might
move.
as well. This one is not cover. Need to go all the way here
Let's
to have
do
cover.
this. Moving to Overwatch. Scanning.
Got it covered.
Okay, they're not walking into me.
Roger that. I've got eyes on an advent position.
Okay, that's quite flankable. What do you see? Casual 90%. Let's go. So that's one.
You want some
I'm
more?
going to keep the frost bomb for the Viper, most likely. That might be a flank, actually. Look at that, beautiful. Alright. Alright, I see you.
Overwatch. I'm on it.
Could have reloaded instead of doing that, because that's a pistol Overwatch. I kinda just want to not
covering
move.
now.
Alright, let's move now.
Rolling.
Nobody to see here.
I'm trusting you here. On my way. Oh yeah.
Stay here.
Come get some. Got it covered. Overwatch.
Hoping they walk into me, but it doesn't look like I'll be that lucky. I could even go to this pipe if I want to. I guess this pipe is a bit closer. Those guys are probably inside.
If you say so. Not a problem.
And I just like dash here, I guess. Could have done a regular move down the reload as well.
Come get to Overwatch. Picking up movement.
Oh, there they are. Hello. Nice hit on the Viper. There's a stun lancer as well. That's a miss.
Negative damage.
And that's also a miss.
Adjusting aim.
Oh, that's a second bot and a second Viper. Well, things are getting nasty now, aren't they?
Menace 1-5, be advised, hostile interceptors are inbound on your current position. Firebrand has a limited window to provide extraction.
Going up here is not a terrible position. Going to give me nice, nice height advantage on a bunch of enemies.
Moving to designated coordinates.
Shouldn't be any other pod. That should be a 3 pods affair. Let's just get the guaranteed kill. Yeah.
It's down.
Alright. Frost bomb. What do you see? 70%. We have a pretty okay chance to kill this guy. So I'm going to try it. Okay, perfect. That helps quite a bit.
You can't handle me.
Can't do much, so might as well.
Ready to rock. On Overwatch.
Trust that'll be okay.
Can I force bomb you? Not oh, yes I can. Can I? Somewhere in here? Where was it?
Frag out!
Get it. Placement is finicky sometimes. That's the best we'll do. Just going to move you here and hunker down, I guess. Well, there's still a Viper and a Stun Lancer in the fray, so that's going to be an interesting turn. Tongue. Got the tongue. Overwatch, bastard. Well, I got my Overwatch at least.
Only the best.
So that's one less to worry about. Alright. Let's see. I probably need to break your Overwatch first. You have combat protocol. You can get this guy with combat protocol. That's an option. That would break the Overwatch. Because I think what I want to do is move you here in order to shoot the Viper. You see this guy. That's also an option. Since you only see this guy anyway. Okay, that works. I can finish him off with the combat protocol. Can I actually move you anywhere you see the Viper? No, I can't. Well, that's a bit unfortunate. I might be able to nade the Viper, though. Again, same trick as last time.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
The angles for that are... Oh, yes, no, maybe. That's not happening, is it? Yeah, that's not happening. Okay. Kill this guy, I guess. That's a miss. I should have grenaded
I'll get him
that.
next time. Running drive.
Okay, if I move you here, you have line of sight and you can combat protocol.
Head now.
Viper. That's an option. That should break the bind. And then I can finish you off. I can even reload before doing that if I want to.
Let's rock.
Don't miss a 91%, please. Thank you. Even with the dodge raise, that went through.
It's dead. It has to
Okay.
be dead.
So there's still this guy alive, but that's the best we'll get. I'm going to dash you up here. Oh yeah, this guy is up now. I took too long. Oh, he's climbing up here.
They got me.
That's pretty smart. Didn't think he could actually dash all the way there. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a bind that's going to kill it. Yeah.
What I'm good.
Right. Thankfully that was not the guy that had the boltcaster. We can make those guys fall, then I'm going to have to go around in order to get to the extraction point, but that's probably my best shot, actually. Best thing to do here still. I might just dash you across first.
I'm ready.
Just casually dash you and then blow up the place. Okay, Now I don't see where those guys are, but I know where those guys are.
Here, catch.
Okay, I have no idea where the Viper fell. Like it was up here, so it should have fallen here. If it's still alive.
On my way.
Let's see it from here. No.
Back online. I'm ready. Overwatch.
Wait, I missed it. What the fuck?
They're moving.
Where the fuck was it? Are you joking? Was it standing here or something? I'm pretty sure it was here. What the fuck was that?
Absolutely.
Excuse you? God damn it! I am getting so trolled right now. I might actually reload this because of how trolled I'm getting right now.
Finally. Gotta do better. VIP secure and in position for
VIP
evac.
is secure.
What's over there?
Fucking bastard. I'm going to lose the frostbomb if I keep that going, so I think we just have to reload. That's like... save scum number 4? That grenade though, pretty sure I should have... that should have made the Viper fall. Okay, so...
Head now.
Oh, that Overwatch. That's fine. Let's redo this.
I'm trusting you here.
Dodge grazed.
I definitely got that one. My ammo's running low.
I think I'm going to grenade the Stun Lancer this time. It's still going to be the Viper, but at least I will have dealt with this guy.
How many is that now?
With the fire under it, that's a bit of a dangerous place to be. Climb you here. Oh, Viper has decided it didn't want to play. Okay, what do we have? We have a nade, and this time I know where the Viper is. I need an angle though. If I go here, that should be fine. Okay, can I please? There we go. Get it. Please. Maybe. Maybe. There we go.
Catch.
Okay, it's possible that's going to make a hole in the roof as well, but there's no one up here for me, so that's fine. I think that killed a civilian, which is very fine by me. I can do that. It's not a terrible option. So you get the height advantage as well. Casual 100. Get
Taken care of. I'm running low on ammo.
Alright.
Double time.
Let's dash forward.
Ten-4.
Oh, I'm always okay with killing saves. That's fine. Okay, go grab this.
Move, move, move.
So you got 5 turns to be back. There you go.
Why am I on cargo duty?
Why am I on cargo duty? Okay, I think that that's all the enemies anyway.
Double time.
I should check if there's anything I can scan.
Accessing system.
What's the scan about? Anything fun? Reinforcements, how about no? Nothing useful to get either.
Affirmative.
VIP secure and in position
VIP
for
is
evac. Move, move, move.
Please don't break too many things.
On my way.
Got it.
And now. Evac confirmed. Just in time.
Getting out of here. Ready to boogie.
There we go.
Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
So that's 4 saves coming so far. Not a great score. Now, the previous playthrough went a lot better than this. That will probably be it for today. Scav 83. Yeah.
I'm certainly impressed, Commander. Another heroic effort in the field.
Combat protocol. Yes, please.
You have done an outstanding
Engineer.
job leading
Good.
the resistance, Commander.
That should help. Debris are easier to dig than... Might build a workshop here, actually. I will need more power anyway. So maybe just start digging this. I had an engineer doing nothing, actually. Let's just dig both of those. That way we don't have to choose.
Avenger plotting
supplies.
new course.
Supplies. Okay, so I'm still bottlenecked by scientists, not immediately, but...
New objective added.
Commander, I've updated our current objectives based on the most recent findings.
Alright, so I should
In the
have... I'm
field,
going to put the
The
research
codex
in a
appears
minute.
as an anomalous
I should
form
have codex
in an
brain
almost
coordinates.
New objective
Yes.
added.
There we go.
It looks like we've got our work cut out for us, Commander.
Now let's hope this one doesn't bug out on me. This is going to require 4 scientists. That's the one we need to get, be able to use the Skulljack on the Codex to get the avatar. This one is going to give us Forge.
Setting course for East Africa.
We are mid-April, so we've still got 2 months and a half to finish the game.
Welcome, Commander.
I do not need to buy an engineer. However, now that I know where I need to go... Holy shit, that's actually very far. That's 1 to 3 jumps. How much to make contact here? 80. So maybe I build a relay first, or I do this one. I haven't got a lot of intel. I think I make contact first and then build a relay here.
Commander, we've utilized all of our
I will need to build a... No, I can put an engineer for more contacts. That should give me 2 contacts, which would be enough to get there.
Attempting to establish local regional contact.
There's still a UFO going around.
New objective
Okay, so this
added.
works as well.
We're
Okay.
making progress, Commander.
Might actually be able to
Updated
finish
our
this
objectives
playthrough.
based on the
Finally!
latest findings.
So now I'm bottlenecked by the scientists. But I had stuff to keep me busy for a bit.
Commander, we have a fix on the
Oh,
location
this one
of
is
the
far.
Alien Forge facility, but we'll
As
still
well.
need to establish
I need 2
contact
to
with
get
the local
there.
resistance forces
Not
before we
getting
can
lucky
move
with the
in to
placements.
investigate.
Reading you loud and clear.
New regional contacts located.
Although... Okay, yeah. 1, 2 here. If I build a relay, this one will be cheaper, so I'm going to build a relay here. Engineer... Specialist... Intel. Minor breakthrough on particularly care, that one is a hidden event. I probably just want to cancel the infiltrators. Sectoid, Stun Lancer, Officer Trooper mech. Starting to get the mechs. Do we have a Grenadier? Yes. Excellent. And we'll just play this mission next time, I think. Okay, good progress and not soft-locked. So this is excellent news. We can finally get a run going. That's like my 5th or 7th run actually trying to get through this soft-lock. So finally we can actually start playing. Okay, I do not have the research where I need to use the Skulljack, so I don't need to grab this. And yeah, just going to launch this and we'll replay this next time. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. The Raiders and all that. More of this next Saturday. We're playing this every Saturday.
5x5.
Tomb Raider tomorrow, as usual. We're playing Tomb Raider 3 prototypes, like beta and stuff like that. A lot of interesting stuff there. So yeah, have a nice one. See you next time. Take care.
Our recon indicates that Advent is moving valuable